This is Todd again at SOLIDWORKS World 2018. I'm here with Oren. We're at the Seebo booth. So Oren, tell us real quickly then, what does Seebo do? What are you all about?
Okay, so we're all about Internet of Things and making IoT easy for companies. We're brand new to SolidWorks. This is our first year.
First year at the World Conference?
At World. First year as a partner of SolidWorks. So we're a SolidWorks Gold partner.
Nice.
And on stage this morning, which was very, very exciting for us.
Oh yeah, we saw it on stage, and that's what was that experience like? Everybody excited, wondering what's going to happen.
Oh yeah,
5,000 people out to hear, what Seebo's doing, right?
Right, absolutely. So bringing the message to the world that companies that are looking to take their product and make them connected into the IoT world. It's a complex, risky, and costly proposition. Many companies don't know how to do this, and Seebo with SolidWorks is here to make it easy.
Now you highlighted on stage this morning an add-in directly into SolidWorks,
correct?
Right. So so tell us a little bit about that.
Sure. So the new add-in to SolidWorks from Seebo allows companies to take the 3D models, import them into Seebo, add the sensors to their existing products, and add the dashboards, add the analytics, add the use cases. And then bam, we generate for you the specs, the simulations, and the behavior analytics to make it all happen into a connected product.
Wow, all of that, and it was all based on a web driven browser interface,
so
right?
We're a completely browser-based platform, so you don't need to install anything.
Okay, no installation. Awesome.
Correct.
Well, so obviously we couldn't have the multitude of TriMech customers all here, but if they were standing here and you had one message or one thought that you would like them to think about, what would that be? Maybe.
Absolutely. So if you're thinking about IoT, Industry 4.0, you have an initiative going on in your company, and you're wondering about how to get started with Industry 4.0, then SolidWorks is the way to get you started very, very easily. The SolidWorks add-in is free to our customers, and so you can get started very, very quickly. In a matter of 30 seconds, sign up on our website and you're through into the process.
So if you're thinking about it, check this out. But you also said, a lot of people think it's risky and scary or complicated.
Right.
But that's where you come in. So check it out, and maybe it's not so risky.
Absolutely.
All right. Thanks a lot, man.
You're
Appreciate
welcome.
it.